Hello, and welcome to my unboxing of, it's dog tech. It's the Canny collar. I've just bought this for £14 to hopefully stop my dog pulling. So this is the Canny collar, cannyco.com. We've got it in blue. So let's just get this thing open and let's just have a look at this. So get the tab open on the side. Got the Canny collar side open. Take the other side. Remove the Canny collar. This is the Canny collar in its case. Little leaflet inside there. Take that out. Take the Canny collar off this box. And basically we get a chain of stuff. It's quite strong. Well, hopefully it's going to be strong. She's a German Shepherd, so I hope it's going to be strong. And basically that is the Canny collar, guys. It basically just looks like that. I'll issue my review on this product in a couple of weeks. Thanks for watching, guys. Please rate, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.